Hello, friends. So today, I want to kind of share a little bit of something with you. It's just for the purpose of documenting it, but I found something when I went to Walmart today, and I'm like, you know, it's a ball of yarn, but this is the chenille. I believe it's the rag company that has the same type, or the same style. And I thought, you know what? You know what? I think I want something like this that I can make into a mitt, not only a regular size mitt, but also a mitt that I can use on the wheels. There was a time I was in a pinch and I couldn't buy a mitt. I was fortunate that somebody had bought one for me off of my wish list. But had I known this stuff existed, I would have had this stuff in my hands a lot sooner. George, I think we got it. I think we got it. It comes right to my wrist. I'm going to add another row so I can bring it in a little tighter. And then I'm going to start going down one side. I'll bring this one in a little tighter. And then I'll seal up the other side and we're good to go. Not bad. This yarn cost me $4, by the way. Not bad. Okay, I'm at the point where I'm going to start closing this off. On the final stretch of a wash mitt I had no pattern for, but man, I had this chenille yarn and I'm like, alrighty, that side is sealed off. Now, 40 stitches across is probably too much. I put a bowl on it, so of course you add about 4 or 5 stitches in order to do that. So I think what I'm going to do, if I do this again, if I happen to find this yarn again, I think what I'll do, and it'll be documented right here, I think what I'll do is back it down to 30 stitches with no bowl. There's a reason I don't crochet much anymore. My hands just don't deal with it very well. I told you about my hands. They just, as my time has gone on in life, My hands are not my friend. It also doesn't help with this yarn. This yarn is not thin. It's not easy to work with. It's definitely, it could definitely be a problem. Okay. Now this is all, crocheting is all about a slip knot. Put them all together. So here's my slip knot. Put that in the box. Pull it through, so then we have this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back threading it in, but I'm gonna thread it through and then start bringing it into the inside. And there it is. Too much of a bow here. Too much of a bow here. But it surrounds my hand. It would wash. I just need to take, I'm gonna say 10 stitches off is what that's gonna be. Even though I brought it in, I put too much bowl in. And so that's probably about 10 stitches too much. So I think what I would do is go with 30 stitches on the big one across. Now what that means is across. So I think what I'll do next time is just keep the bowl out of it. This is, it's pretty well sealed off. So, but this is so soft. Not a bad little wash mitt here. So, we'll give it a try next time we're at the shop. Not bad. Now, I need to do a little tiny one. So, because I have all of this left. Okay, so I thought I would do a little one that I could put my hand in, you know, like the Rag Company, or I think it's the Rag Company sells and or makes, and just make one for the wheels. Heck yeah. That'll use it up. $4 in a little bit of time. Nope, I'm gonna go with 15. Looks like a hamburger. My curled up square. We're a little off here. I don't know if I just got tighter with it or what. There it is. Alrighty, so here's a little bitty mitt. Just a little one. Alrighty, I dialed it in a little bit right here, and that does exactly what I thought it was going to do. I have to take about 5 off of each side, and it would be the perfect size. So either way, I'm happy with it. I am very happy with it. For doing it freehand, that ain't bad. Not bad at all. Anyway, this is the kind of yarn that you can wash, you just do not dry. And it's pretty well sealed up. I'm going to have gloves on anyway, so not bad. So I have 2 mitts, 2 wash mitts, and that was just on a whim. See the kind of crap I get myself into? This is the chenille, but it's a velvet yarn is what it is. It was on clearance for $4, so I went ahead and got it, and I thought, wash mitts. And I put it together in about 3 hours. Not too bad. Anyway, thanks for hanging out on my channel, guys. I sure do appreciate it. And until the next video, this one was really different. You know how it goes. Peace. Okay, it's time to walk out to the pickup. Alrighty. So we are going to give my new wash mitts a try. I've got them both, and we're going to give them a try. I made these yesterday. This wash mitt kind of looks funky, but that's okay. I freehanded that. I crocheted that freehand, and that yarn is not easy to work with, I can tell you. But let's give these a try. Okay, I have my 1 gallon of water with some rinseless. Let's start with this. Oh, soaks in that water good. Oh, heck yeah. Look at that, it do works. Heck yeah. This is my little tire mitt. I love it, love it, love it. And looky there. You got the dirt off. Look at that. Now, of course, I just washed this darn thing. Hey, keep your leaves out of my water. Alrighty, here it goes. I got it dripping. See, it's just dripping. So soft. This is my pickup I'm testing this on. I love it. It pulled the dirt in. Look at that. I don't see any scratches. No scratches. Hey. It just glides over it. I did it. I did it. I made my own wash mitt. I don't see any scratching or marring. None. Success! I made my own wash mitt. I'm loving it. Love it, love it. See y'all on the next one. Peace.